Manipur government has destroyed 19,135.6 acres of illegal poppy plantations across 12 districts in the state since 2017. According to a report titled Mapping and Estimation of Opium Poppy Cultivation Area using Remote Sensing and GIS Technology, further revealed that Kampopi district has highest destruction of 4,454.4 acres during the period, followed by 3,348 acres in Ukhrul and 2,713.8 acres in Chochampu district. The exercise was conducted by Manipur Remote Sensing Applications Center under the Planning Department based on data provided by Narcotics and Affairs of Border Wing of State Police. The other districts where illegal poppy cultivation was destroyed include 2,575 acres in Tengnopal, 1,982.5 acres in Chandel, and 1,682 acres in Senapati. According to the study, the area under poppy cultivation in 9 districts in 2021-22 was 28,598.91 acres, which declined to 11,288.1 acre in 2023-24. Between 2023 and 2024, poppy cultivation decreased by 32.13% compared to 2022-2023.